The male cuts low over the water, turning just ahead of the strike. Below, the female pulls her brood toward the safety of reeds. The danger is sudden, but this family began in a quieter place. In spring, the marsh opens with color, motion, and competition. Even the smallest lives mark the rhythm of the season. A female approaches, and the pair begins to move together. Around them, cattails bend, and every territory has a watcher. The pair leaves the open water for the older trees at the edge. Beneath the surface, the wetland is already full of food. For wood ducks, a nest is not built on the water. The female finds a natural cavity, hidden high in a weathered trunk. Old trees hold the quiet architecture of this breeding season. Below, the marsh offers cover, but also many places to disappear. Inside the hollow, she shapes a small chamber for eggs. Mayflies rise over the water, a sign of spring's growing abundance. The first egg arrives, pale and still in the dim nest. Nearby, other young lives move through the shallows. Day by day, the clutch begins to grow. 10 eggs now rest in the cavity, covered by down and quiet warmth. For weeks, the female holds steady, while the marsh changes around her. She turns the eggs carefully, keeping each one close to the center. Rain darkens the bark, but the nest stays dry within. The reeds sway after the storm, waiting for the next stage of life. At last, the shells begin to tremble. The first duckling breaks through, wet, weak, and alive. Soon, the hollow is full of small bodies finding balance. All 10 have hatched. Their next test is already waiting. They gather at the opening, facing a world far below. The mother leaves first, calling from the ground beneath the tree. One duckling reaches the edge. There is no gentle way down. It jumps. A tiny body falls through open air.
Peek, peek.
One by one, the others follow, landing in soft leaf litter. Now the family is whole, but still far from safety. The mother leads them across roots and damp leaves toward water. For the first time, the ducklings float beside her. They begin to feed, learning the marsh one tiny bite at a time. Above the reeds, the sky grows dangerous again. The peregrine returns, and the adult male drops low to survive. One duckling falls behind, then fights back to the group. The mother does not fight the sky. She leads her young into cover. Time passes. Down gives way to stronger juvenile feathers. At sunset, the surviving brood slips back into the living marsh.